Oh, okay. Think. Okay. Diva or Red? I don't care. What do you want?
Oh, you Roadhog?
Oh, that's fine.
It looks like he plays more Diva though.
I don't care. It's good.
She got his own.
One shot, one kill.
I agree.
The true struggle is for the superiority of ideas.
If they have a Genji, we might get hot smoked.
I think we'll be okay if they have a Genji.
Yeah, I mean, you just gotta focus him when he bleeds.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
I believe Mr. Barcode Killer is gonna carry this game.
Yup.
Yaga yeet.
Personally, but I will see them done.
Wait, chap, weren't you GM like 2 Genji?
What's up?
Oh, were you in the game on?
They have a Hanzo. Hanzo, Mercy, Winston.
Attention où tu mets les pieds.
Looks like you're on the left side.
Tracer.
Oh boy.
Oh, okay, let's back up, let's back up.
Oh, that matters.
You totally read that.
It's
Okay, it's okay.
Coming back.
Essayons encore une fois.
Sorry, is Winston's Bob.
Hey, can we dive there? Reloading.
La veuve.
There we go. Reset. Reset. We can.
Resetting. Okay.
Alright, alright.
No contest? No?
Okay. No, I don't think so. We should
Winston's top,
probably
top right.
switch.
Winston's left side now. I couldn't switch, I didn't have time.
Left.
Alright, I'm gonna go
Is there
switch
Mega?
you after.
Just what I needed.
Alright, let's hold him at door. Let's hold him at door. Never mind. Yeah, that's huge, that's huge.
Huge.
Okay. Let's hold them right here. As soon as they start coming through, as soon as that opens, let's hold them at door.
Isn't Trace?
After we have time to switch off.
Now, where were we?
Trace has no pulse bomb.
Alright. Sorry, no ally bubble. You guys ready to drop down?
Sorry, it's left.
No one
Nice.
can hide
Nice.
from
Oh, no, no.
sight.
Hanzo no scat.
Focus monkey.
Hanzo's behind me.
Hanzo's dead.
Monkey's one. Monkey's still one. Dead. Nice.
I'm gonna kill
Alright,
my
let's hold
Tracer.
him here.
Never mind.
Mercy side. Zen's in front of me. Nice hook. Good job.
I'm on fire.
Alright.
I like over here a little bit more than.
I think I have to become.
Monkey doesn't have bubble. So no scatter.
Fisher one.
Into the iris.
Switch into one.
Okay, I messed up.
It's Cheng Diva.
Here I am.
Winston's low in here. He wasted his hop. Winston, no more hop. Oh man. Alright, let's push out.
This Winston could literally eat my ass.
You guys ready? I'm just going to cart. Even though fly. Tracer's behind us. No, dude.
Tracer half. Wait.
Nice.
Tracer one.
She's dead. Mercy's one.
I'm on Diva.
Zen low. Zen. Get Zen first, please.
I got it.
There's one. Nice. Huge. Diva killed herself.
Is ready.
I was waiting for that boost to get this in.
No one can hide from my sight.
Tracer's going mega. It looks like no. going to push in with their team. She's gonna flank behind us.
You guys have wall hacks up. Yeah, they're gone.
I'm stuck.
This one no pulls.
Stuck. I'm stuck.
Listen low. Tracer's one. She backed up.
Got them.
Alright, nice.
You're down, Diva and Widow, and there's a Tracer behind.
I don't have anything for
That
that.
tire.
It's a
You're
fat
done.
bomb.
Coming back on the point. It's only Tracer. Nice.
Dude, Junk.
She recalled. Tracer recalled. Watch out for Zen, Junk. Watch out for Zen. He's also over there. Nice defense matrix. Thank you. Good job.
This will heal you.
Monkey below.
They have Genji.
Nope.
Genji over Hanzo now. No other changes in their comp.
Discorded. Watch out.
Winston's low. Moira's half.
Diva. Dropped.
Reloading.
Oh. Staying aggressive, guys. That's huge. He was on point. He was on point with no heals.
No one
Monkey one. Monkey ulted. On our more.
Focus on this monkey really fast. It's honestly just creating space for them.
Pass into the iris.
Moira's low.
Reloading.
Tell me when Monkey uses pulse like.
Hey, heal me, dude.
I'm running away from everybody.
I'm healing you.
Diva. D1.
Monkey low.
Diva's still one.
Nice. Fit.
Zen point.
60 seconds.
Huge.
Huge, guys.
It's Moira
Genji, no
on
deflect.
part with Tracer.
We win this.
Just
Play smart. Call outs. Tracer's on our widow. Tracer no pulse bomb. Tracer no recall either. Nice. Huge. Diva's back right.
Moira low.
Diva's one.
Oh, Moira.
Get Moira. Then get Diva.
It's right there.
Alright,
Right there.
come. Got her.
30 seconds remaining.
Oh, we're good. Retake high ground.
Everyone get on defense.
I'm gonna play back here.
Play a little bit of a trap up here. If they extend too much, then we get a free pick. Otherwise, let's back up on a point pill for our team. 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
By my calculations, our defenses will hold and we redouble our efforts.
Tracer left side.
Keep Diva off point. Okay. Nice, huge.
Tracer kill.
Genji, tell me the point. Genji's low. Genji's one.
Reloading.
Nice.
Zen.
Zen trance. He's not gonna be able to get the point. Get him. Mercy's low. Mercy's one. Nice.
Zen again.
Genji behind with Tracer. Genji's low.
I'm on Monkey on
Genji's
point.
one. Genji's one.
Tracer.
Nice. Monkey, and Tracer.
Nice.
Tracer's
I'm
no
on
recall. She's right side. Huge, dude. You're fucking god. Hell yeah.
That shot me.
Diva. Get out of mech. Nice.
I'm coming back with bomb.
Diva's one. Huge. Mercy's good.
Nice job, team.
Good round.
We got this.
Good job, guys.
Score 0 to 1. Switching sides. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
Double snipe. Really?
Could work.
I believe. Believing is half the battle.
One shot.
I feel like Mercy was playing that properly last point though, because where your position was the safest spot for her as well.
Yeah, definitely. But I just mean in general.
Yeah, because they couldn't really play with them.
No, I'm just
Yeah,
saying.
we were going
yeah,
into crazy position. It would have been suicide for you, honestly.
Yeah, definitely. I know. I was making sure she wasn't like giving up healing the team.
Oh, I got you. I
Oh,
got
I
you.
just did
I
want
feel
to
that.
play.
You know what
I
I mean?
really do not want to play over there.
Attack
Yeah, I don't want to play over there either.
30 seconds.
I was like, no, I'm gonna fucking die if I stay over
Very
there.
well.
Yeah, and also I try to keep myself in a place you can escape to, Mercy. So if you need to get away, look for the Widow.
Enough waiting around. Greetings.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
They have a soldier on bridge. Just spamming away. He's empowered by.
Hey, what the fuck?
I think it was.
Heroes
never die. Just what they need.
Alright, we have free push right now. They're not even contesting close. Not even contesting close.
Good.
Probably Bastion.
Alright.
No, it's just Soldier.
I'm trapped. There's a Junkrat.
Nice pick,
to the
nice
left.
pick, nice pick. Where was that? Mercy's
Soldier
one.
down.
Mercy's one. Mercy's still one.
Mercy 1, Mercy 1.
Dead. I'm trapped. Diva's one out of mech. Huge heals. Diva's one. Dead.
On
Nice.
the objective. Rally.
Zen right side. He's one. Dead.
Nice. Good push.
Monkey might try and recontest, so be ready for that.
Probably not. His team's dead.
Hopefully he does. Free ult charge, am I right?
Yeah.
A
No
captured.
one can hide from my sight.
Blocks are out. Tracers in castle.
Know what they say.
One sit above.
Payload in motion.
If you want to stick right over him, go ahead.
I'm still getting used to less stupid plays, because I was stuck 37 for a while.
What's
People
in
make
contesting me
stupid
again?
plays.
Alright, I'm kinda nice to come back. Thank you. He's still at background, he's low though. He had to back up, yeah, he's half. I like it.
Damage up.
Look at Mega, he might be there. Winston's
One
behind,
second,
Winston's behind, one.
One's a half, one's a half.
Good job.
Got it.
Huge picks, guys. That opens it up for us. Tracer behind, Tracer behind.
Car for me.
Tracer's still behind.
Still.
I'm very
She has
low.
no recall.
On Mega.
It's okay, it's
Got
okay.
it though.
Just get on point, just get on point. Win this.
Zen's one.
Shit, I'm not there to kill it.
Zen trance.
I wasn't there to kill it. I'm
Zen
sorry.
trance, dude.
I'm just
Let's go.
moving off the edge.
Diva's on our backline? Okay. I don't know if I can
Yeah.
help with that.
Oh, reset.
No, it's okay. I was trying to separate her from you guys, but I shouldn't push it over anyway.
No worries. Tracer recalled. She's gonna be high ground up there. Yeah.
Je ne vais pas.
Nice. Let's go.
Okay, let's post, let's get post.
We need to move the payload.
Alright, 1 sec, Monkey, and then we should. Oh, they're monkeys behind us.
Monkey's behind. He's
Alright.
right there.
He's out.
Oh, let's push in. Let's dive him up top. Let's dive him up top really fast.
Alright,
Hey,
Oh, they're all up here. They're all up here. Back up. Point. Beat them to point. Counter dive onto them. Nice. It's only Mercy. It's only Mercy on point. Zen and Mercy on point.
Monkey blue.
Zen's one. Zen's dead. Huge. Mercy's one. Dead.
Mercy, you stand.
Diva's one out of mech.
Hide from my sight.
Zen uncontested. Diva.
yeah, I'm waiting for my boot.
Reloading.
Okay, GG.
Nice pick. That was a huge pick, Widow. Winston's going high ground. He's right over here.
You got
He's dead. You guys got him.
Okay.
Huge, guys. So yeah,
Victory.
nice teamwork. Everyone was just working together really well there. I like that.
Open division.
Play
damn
of
straight.
the game.
Good game, guys.
You're fucking carry.
A little bit.
Oh, he left.
Heals were huge. I only died 3 times because of like the amazing heals we had.
Very
Oh,
fortunate.
my fucking God.
Good luck to your next game, guys.
Welcome to Junkertown. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
We're doing pirate trip?
One shot, one kill. Enough waiting around.
Well, that's unlucky. Good luck in your next game, guys.
Good to know.
Attack commences in 30 seconds. Welcome to Junkertown. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
No, not this map.
This map's AIDS.
This map is great. I don't know what you're talking about.
Hi.
It's because you're a Widowmaker.
I know. All the maps everyone hates, I love. Like Lunar too.
Do you like Blizzard World?
I do like Blizzard World.
Yo,
I like
Alright.
most. I actually like most maps.
One kill.
Enemy, what you gonna play?
I don't know. What are you gonna play? I'm a
I don't
flex
know what
player,
you,
dude.
what are you gonna play?
Oh,
Me
I'm
too.
flexing.
Me too.
That doesn't work. Dude.
Alright, I'll put you in. Play what you want.
I'm playing this hero then. We have a Widow. I'm just gonna give her a shield.
I mean,
Also,
I'll play Road, I guess.
yeah, do it.
Peace be upon you.
Honestly, Diva's fine.
Attack
Even if you
is
don't want to road.
incoming in 30 seconds.
I don't really. I'll get the we need them juicy suck hook combo. It's only worth playing Roadhog if you get the combo. So I expect to hear them sucks loud and clear. But the first, I might flop the first one. I haven't done this one.
4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming.
They have a McCurry.
Stop.
Gonna
They have a
fall.
Widow top left.
Yep, I saw
McCurry
it.
bottom right.
I can't suck that far. Yeah, I can't.
Nah, dude. You can suck the longest distance.
Dude, that was some highly skilled gameplay. That's our trap. Okay, just check.
Not sure where the Widow went. Junkrat left. Trap, watch out.
He dead. There's still a trap, I think.
No, Roadhog broke
Wait,
it.
is it really? No, the trap's broke.
There's
Hog
a
bottom
Moira-
right. Hog
Moira
bottom right.
pushing
Hog
point.
bottom right. I'm sucking. I'm
Oh
sucking.
yeah, top on the right too.
I'm one.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. You,
Yep, I see her now.
No!
oh,
I didn't see the McCree low ground.
I was right.
I got hooked, okay.
I kind of tunneled the window.
Come
That's
back
my
a little
bad.
bit, Orisa.
Come back, come back, come back.
My ultimate is almost
Alright,
ready.
I'm going diva. I can't.
That's
I
not
can't
good.
come back.
I told you to go diva, dude.
Yeah, I got outplayed.
Hear me, hear me. Watch out.
I mean, I didn't know they were running
Widowmaker down.
games.
Makuha, left. Take left.
Zen one, Zen
Ready
one.
for res.
Let's get you back in the fight.
The hog has no breather. Kill him. He's half. He's one. Nice. We're huge.
It was intense.
Dude, you're so excited.
Yeah, I know. I like it.
I have.
You
to
shot
be
call.
excited.
No, you shot call.
And this show is so boring. If I'm not, you don't be excited to fall asleep.
No one
That's
can
fair,
hide
that's fair.
from my sight.
You're insane.
McCree low. In that building.
Let's go.
Mark is going left.
I'm just gonna wave hi at them over and over again until they get them in.
I'm gonna hope to get off Widow soon because I'd rather just play against not Widow.
Hog bottom left.
Do it.
I think he's going around. Hog's around. Hog's around.
Yeah,
Pretty sure.
That's what it seems like.
I think he's back there.
Nice.
Kill them.
He's one.
Junkrat top. Oh, nice.
McCree bottom or top right. McCree. Kill him.
I'll get him.
He's
I'll
half.
get
He's
him.
half.
Okay, one.
They're off Widow.
Where'd he go?
There went Tracer.
I don't know. Where did he go?
I got him.
Nice.
Tracer left in our Junkrat. Junkrat's also left side. I saw him last on high ground about 2 seconds ago.
Okay, get the mega. We're good.
I got nothing to do.
I know. I'm sorry.
Hold right click
Tracer
on
left side. Left side.
Roadhog low. Probably no breather.
Where?
Just what I
Right side.
needed.
Oh, where is
Around
he
this
at?
building.
Oh, okay.
60 seconds.
I don't want to get kicked off
remaining.
the map again.
It's in the room.
Tracer on me.
Thanks.
I got one clipped.
Monkus.
Uh-oh.
What?
I'm oblivious.
Rotor, he's Discord, he's one.
Roll.
Help
Tracer
them.
no recall. Behind us, left side. Tracer no recall. She has one blink.
Nyata, 1 health. Got him.
To the left in the room.
Get on the points then.
To voila.
Alright, huge.
I'm gonna zone them all when they try and push forward.
Can we get the Moria?
I will.
Amora.
I'm just gonna ult once we try some fades in. She's
going
gonna
left.
fade to get closer.
They're going left.
I'm stuck. Where'd he go? He's flying. The pig's flying.
Junkrat's 1 health, literally. Never mind.
Then to score. Around this one. Moira, this one.
Huge plays. Get this Moira.
Yo, we're insane.
Teabagger. Required.
See? Great map. Don't worry about it.
Big brain plays.
Can you carry me harder?
Score
Our Roadhog?
0.
Our Roadhog went Diva. I think otherwise he probably could.
Here, I'm gonna make it more challenging. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, don't do that. You just run Pirate Trip and win really fast.
Oh, I agree. Wait.
Do it. Run solo heal plus pirate ship.
Christian, can you play? Okay, I can play Hanzo.
Wait, go Bastion. Don't go Hanzo. Just go pirate ship.
Yeah.
Plus, like, no, just run one healer here.
Yeah. But then you have the Bastion,
Wait.
and then you have 2 snipers, and then you have the
An
2 tanks,
Orisa?
and then you have Mercy. Yeah.
Wait,
that's how it
what?
works. That's how the combo.
So we need a
goes.
Bastion and we need a Mercy.
Yeah, we need a Bastion now, and a Hanzo.
Perfect. There we
One
did it.
shot.
Frisian, can you play
One
Hanzo?
kill.
I never thought I'd ever say that in my entire life, but can you play Hanzo?
I can play Hanzo.
Frisian, can you Mercy?
I can Mercy if you want to play Ursa.
I mean, I can Mercy too. I don't care. Frisian, what do you want
I'm
to play? What do you
ready
want
to
to play?
kill.
What's he gonna play? What's he gonna play? Everyone just stand next to Frisian until.
Have you ever
he
noticed
gets
that like Junkrat has Parkinson's or no?
What do you mean?
Attack commences.
Look at his neck.
Nah,
he has
dude,
Parkinson's.
it's crystal meth. Don't worry about it.
He has a fucking twitch.
Yeah, he's tweaked out. Look at the guy. He's on fire. He doesn't even realize it.
Yeah, exactly.
Where did you hide your
Yeah, okay, Junk. You're here, maybe?
I had a class last quarter with a kid who did like a bunch of
see.
Adderall
I got a
before
trap.
the test, and he looked
Okay,
exactly
Junk.
like that.
That's what I'm
You wanna
saying.
play
He's tweaked
Right.
out. He's not.
Can you?
One.
Alright, he's not switching. Okay. Just we'll just play this. We're gonna win.
I'm sure
anyways.
this will work. Oh, Treasure back left! Somber too!
They have a Hanzo Junkrat.
Woo! Wow!
Genji also.
Alright, I like the Junk right now.
And a Widow.
See, Junk's owning.
So they're just giving up
Genji
basically.
behind?
Treasure's back left.
I'm missing a lot of easy shots.
There's a Hanzo left side.
Don't mind me.
Genji behind too.
He just scattered me from HP.
Oh! Hanzo left.
That is accurate. There's a Hanzo left.
The enemies of
They're-
Talon
they're
will
throwing?
be eliminated.
The payload is
Only a little bit.
Genji was just waving at me. Hello.
It's a Sombra.
It's a Tracer,
No, it was a Sombra at first.
but now
Then
it's
it
a
was
Tracer.
Now it's a Sombra kill. Sombra killed me. Oh no.
It's okay. You are the sacrifice to the
GG's,
gods.
Damn. Unfortunate.
Yeah. I'll follow you if you follow me.
Wait, what? I already follow you, I think. I'll be honest.
Wait,
I'll follow you both if you follow me.
I think the George Lion like posted you once.
Oh. You think I am?
Good game, guys. Good luck in your next one.
Just added someone on accident. Whoops.
welcome to Hollywood. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
They have 4 tank mains, 1 DPS main, 1 support main.
Say 4 tank mains?
Yep. So you can probably expect a 4 tank on their attack.
One shot. One kill.
Can I Zen, Psycho?
Reform, would you rather support or tank? I can tank.
I'll rather support.
Psycho, could you go back support?
Okay, yeah.
Do you want Diva, Merlin, or Winston?
Preferably neither, but I'll play Winston.
Alright, I'll play Diva.
Commences in 30 seconds.
It was not my preference to see to matters personally, but I will see them done.
Yeah, effect's really good.
A chance to focus.
Effect.
He's too cool for us.
Hello. I know.
He's not gonna
I just
talk
wanted to
to
say
us.
hi.
One. Attack commences.
Oh look, it's a Pogger.
Capture objective A.
Save a Widow.
Okay.
Where's the Widow at?
Top
She's
left.
behind.
She's in the elevator thing.
Just wait till either effect gets back or we get a pick. Don't take damage right now.
Hold on one second.
Oh, Diva, what are you doing?
I'm
You're actually
fragging, dude.
speeding.
Much better.
I'm a huge distraction.
I'm behind them, but I gotta teleport real sec.
I mean, effect was
she's
in, so
behind the
I
shield.
went in.
Effect was not in. Okay, I'm gonna drop you a bubble widow.
Their Widow's one. Fuck, I missed.
Just to retire.
Their Widow was
Widow's-
1 health. Probably not anymore though.
I don't think Widow's gonna work against that comp. But
Locked.
Give me one more life. I'll change the shield breaker or something. Genji maybe.
Personne n'échappe à mon
They have wall hacks out.
she's on the left.
Junkrat's half.
I'm about to go in.
If you guys dive, I'm gonna.
Oh, okay. I just gotta hook through my shield. I'm going Ryan. Please go Zarya or something. We just need to take point.
Experience.
Oh, fake. Oh,
There we go.
Easy.
Winnable. It's winnable.
It's definitely winnable, guys. I'm saving wall
No
hacks.
one can hide from my sight.
Objective A captured. Escort.
Psycho, can you switch me roles, dude?
Junkrat's
no,
mega low.
You want to switch?
Yeah, I don't want to fucking play Winston.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah. I just want to sit on Kurt. What you guys strike out?
Someone's dead, so I'm just gonna stay here.
They're off,
Yeah, we're fine.
they're off Orisa. No more shield.
Oh, it's coming. Oh, it's coming. It's one.
Please hit it.
Okay, that's one. Thank God. I would have tried to hard scope it.
Oh, we got
Damn.
one more now. Ooh.
I didn't know the shield's gonna go down.
Why do we not have Diva anymore?
Who needs Diva?
Good-ish. Good. Nice.
Junkrat.
Moira one.
Oh my god.
Baby Diva one. Going up for the junk. Junk's half.
No one can hide.
Damn. Widow's back.
Okay, here's the plan, team. Here's the huge plan. I'm going Orisa.
Personne n'échappe.
Okay.
No, I'm going Ryan.
Okay.
Okay.
Orisa could be better just for the pull, but
I literally
Ryan
solves
is
none of our
huge,
problems.
dude. Ryan is huge here.
right click for me.
You're actually just throwing? I'm speeding.
I take it around wall hacks.
I shall seize a payload safely to its destination.
Oh, they got a trap. Why did this?
Experience.
That was done with me.
My charge.
Widow's up top on bridge.
I'm gonna jive. I'm gonna go for here in a sec.
Go monkey low.
Widow's
No,
one.
no, it's over, guys. Come
Join
back.
me.
Maybe it's over? It's over. Just one. We have one.
I got a huge pick.
Hello?
We're on double main tank right now.
Double main
I'm
tank
gonna
is
ult
meta,
top.
dude.
Our duty is to move the payload.
I almost have shatter. It's gonna be huge.
you have eyes?
Yo, Mora.
Yo, help me with Mora, please.
Let's get this moving.
Gale the Mahal.
Widow on top of.
They're all 1 HP, by the way.
No!
Oh my god! What the fuck? Dude, I thought you were up there too.
No, I did. I got sniped.
Damn it.
Junk behind us, Ali. Oh my god. Can we please not have a Rein here? Like, why are you throwing? Actually makes no sense.
Okay, I'll go Winston.
60 seconds remaining.
I was doing huge things, man.
Matrix me, I'm gonna peek, okay? Hey, bubble. Is there Widow?
Kidding.
Ooh.
Sniper, don't get caught. Someone help me move. No one can hide from my sight.
Ah, fuck.
30 seconds remaining.
There's no way I'm
Tranquility.
Junk. Oh my god. I don't have a suit.
Winston's behind.
Core. I am on the set.
It's okay, we're gonna hold the second point. Slash first.
We're
On defense.
definitely holding this. This is our game to win, boys.
Definitely.
Now you have my attention.
Let's hit him with that fat boy Ryan Zarya comp.
Do you just play Reinhardt more than Winston? Is that why you...
Scores. 1.
No, I'm just trash.
Sides. Prepare your defenses.
I got you with that Zarya. Oh, no.
Oh.
I mean, Arista's really strong.
Grav in 3 seconds, Psycho. Promise.
Okay, alright, I believe.
2 seconds, tops. No, 4 seconds.
Yeah, that's too much.
Oh, okay. I swapped then.
You're right, you're right.
One shot, one kill.
We shall prove ourselves in glorious combat.
Where are you guys setting up?
I'm setting up left side. Oh.
You don't know anything about him.
Oh, what?
What just happened?
Incoming.
Oh, did you wiggle yourself to death?
I'm coming back.
Power moves, man.
I have issues.
See that? They also did it, so don't feel that bad.
Probably shouldn't be running Ona here. Probably should run Mora.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Don't be aggressive, they have that Widow.
Attackers incoming.
Yeah, we're gonna get dove and they're just gonna matrix whoever. We're gonna die.
Yep.
My gift to you.
Yada half. Junkrat half.
Widow, far left.
Widow's security.
Widow's half. Oh my god. Random spam.
What the fuck, dude?
Oh, I need help bad.
Bounce one. Widow, still security.
Yep.
Here I am.
I'm dead.
Oh.
We have no dive. Against dive.
Okay. Let's go Winston Diva. They just owned our team.
Yep.
Objective lost. Stop the
Straight
payload.
juiced us, dude.
Why do you switch off Ona now?
They're gonna dive me.
Jesus.
This is the easiest point to hold, boys. We got
It
this.
really is. They kind of have high ground right now.
Allow me to repair the damage.
Nice.
Winnable. Uh-oh.
Oh, drop down.
Widow's inside of the bubble. And Matrix. Winston's right above me.
Dude, this D.Va's a god.
Dude, can you guys?
I don't know what you guys are throwing.
Why are we?
I don't know. Yeah.
The D.Va's a god! I don't know what to say.
No, you just throw if you don't play DPS. It's like really stupid. You throw half the time you do play DPS, so.
That is not true.
It's actually 100% true. That's why you're masters now when you were 4400. Like,
Oh.
actually boosted.
I'm not boosted, but thank you.
No one can hide from my sight.
The payload is approaching its destination.
Oh boy. GG, boys.
Jesus Christ, don't install, please.